Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. Ayan, titingnan natin yung energies ng inyong kaperahan, ng inyong trabaho, career, business ngayong December. So this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let us see, Taurus. Ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan ngayong December? Progressions, journey. Meron kayong mga bagong ipupursue siguro, ngayong December. It's like, development, So, kumbaga, may mga nasimulan na kayo in the past few months. And ngayong December, you see the growth, You are growing. Your career is growing. Your business is growing. Your finances is growing. Third house communication. So, I think you are going to network. Oo, mas marami kang kakausapin na tao ngayon. Ngayong December. Pwedeng sa social media or pwedeng face-to-face to. But I think you are connecting more with a lot of people. Pwedeng mga business partners or clients, customers. Next is the Ten of Wands. A lot of work. Ang daming burden. Ang daming responsibilities for you ngayong December. You have the King of Cups. But I feel like there is someone in your life, can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who is very caring sa'yo. Ito yung parang, tumutulong sa'yo or nagsusupport sa'yo kahit na pagod ka sa mga ginagawa mo sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Someone who really loves you. You also have the World card. Merong completion. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong chapter ng inyong career, business, or trabaho ninyo na nagko-close. And then, you are preparing to start something new. I think this is early 2024, First quarter ng 2024. But itong the World card is also about achievement. So, whatever you have completed, meron tong rewards. And that reward is going to change your life moving forward. So, you also have the Page of Wands. A lot of communication talaga. Iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong hinihintay na news, balita galing sa ibang bansa related sa trabaho nyo, sa ina-applyan nyo, sa business ninyo, merong communication ngayong December. You also have the Ace of Cups. New beginnings talaga for some of you. Something that you really love. Something that you really care about. So, yung iba sa inyo, ipupursue nyo na yung mga passion ninyo. Saan kayo mas interesado? Saan kayo mas masaya? So, parang kumbaga pinapaspasan nyo na yung trabaho nyo ngayong December para maayos nyo na, ma-close nyo na, ma-complete nyo na yung kailangan nyo i-complete to get ready for a new beginning ngayong susunod na buwan. You also have the Seven of Swords. Be careful lang sa mga tao na will try to take advantage of you ngayong December. And also yung mga belongings ninyo, medyo pag-ingatan ngayong December, lalo na kung labas kayo ng labas sa mga matataong lugar, umiwas kasi maaring merong magka-interest ng gamit ninyo or pwedeng ma-misplace ninyo. But I think this is someone na hindi nyo pwedeng pagkatiwalaan, You also have the Ten of Cups. I see you going out, with a lot of family members. Pwedeng may mga events kayo na pupuntahan. Syempre may mga gastos dyan. Just make sure na lang na you know your limits, when it comes to mga gastos ninyo. Kasi pwedeng minsan may trap yan na pagpasok nyo sa isang store, o-offeran ka, may mga discounts, pero pagdating mo doon, ang dami pa palang i-offer sa'yo, and pag alis mo, ang dami mo palang ginastos sa store na yon. So, yes, be careful. So, mag-set ka lang ng limit mo. And then, also, Yeah, I think you will give more time sa sarili mo. Is importante kasi ngayong December para sa na meron kang sarili mong yung parang peace and quiet time with yourself to connect with your higher self and to ground yourself. Kasi minsan pag masyadong marami nangyayari sa paligid mo, pwedeng nadidistract ka, tapos hindi clear yung mind mo sa pagdating ng mga decision making. Medyo nag-aalangan yung decision making mo. But with the Wheel of Fortune here, so you are being led to your destiny. Lalo na kung ano man tong matatapos ngayong December. This can be a contract, this can be a project, a career, or a business na nasimulan mo a long time ago. Ngayong December matatapos because you are being prepared to a new beginning, to a new chapter in your life na nag-o-open up. You also have the King of Swords. So there's some sort of power in you ngayong December na you are setting boundaries. Some of you may cut connections from people na alam mong tinake advantage ka lang at wala namang masyadong naiambag sa buhay mo. So I also see you na magiging maingat sa mga makaka-deal ninyo, especially in your businesses. Kung meron kayong business. You also have divine calling. So sabi rito, your true destiny unfolds as you explore your ideas and inspiration. So, ngayong December, magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Ano ba yung life's purpose mo? Especially to those na medyo naguguluhan kung nasa tamang path ba kayo. So, ngayong December, malalaman nyo na yan. Yung iba, related sa design and art, yung talents ninyo, nasa creative, no? Your finances is also going to bring you success in your career, lalo na kung nasa creative side kayo, nasa creative department yan. So, new discoveries, no? Maaring ito yung mga marirealize mo na, uy, kaya mo palang gawin to. So, you are exploring other options. See, you are changing. You're transforming. Your finances is transforming for the better. Your career is transforming. So, yung income mo ngayon, may pagbabago, malaking pagbabago dahil sa mga i-discover mo pa na bagong options, opportunities ngayong December. Okay? So, embrace the power of dance and movement to access your highest guidance. So, itong dance and movement, ito yung mga changes na kailangan nating pagdaanan, no? Para ma-lead tayo sa ating life's purpose. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. Yes, so some of you, merong leadership role na nag-open up, yung mga in-applyan nyo or maaring i-offer to sa inyo ngayon. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be a business partnership or collaboration with some people na magbibigay sa inyo ng financial stability ngayong December. Okay? So, this is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.